नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। और आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले 5% टारगेट वाला स्टॉक है DCM श्रीराम। P of the stock is somewhere around 29-30ish. I think it's about 30, but the quarter results were pretty decent. It has been consolidating for a very long time inside a specific range. This is the monthly time frame of the this is the monthly chart. We can see it has been on an uptrend kind of momentum ever since it was listed, but initially it did take a bit of time to break through this one specific level. And then once this level was broken, I'll mark it and show you. Once this one specific level was broken, there was a breakout and retest, and then it came and consolidated that range. Again it came back to that level, and wahan se it started going up. So that is what happened on a monthly time frame on a longer version of this. It was listed around somewhere around 2014. So when we go closer into this, my bad. So we'll go and take a closer look onto this stock. We'll go to the weekly time frame. So the reason why I took weekly time frame here is I've marked everything in the monthly time frame so as to save a bit of time right now. So we can see ever since it was having that all-time high created at this point, which is probably around, what year is this, 2021, it has not gone above that one specific level. So we have to capitalize on that, which means whenever it attempts or tries to break that one specific level, there is an opportunity of a breakout. As we can see over here, it has been staying in that one specific range for quite a long period of time, since 2021 till 2025. Right now it has been in that one specific range. I'll go further into the daily time frame to give a much clearer idea. Come on man, this is not okay. So this is the daily time frame, and I'll show this one specific channel in which it was consolidating all this while, which is this one. Not trend line, we'll go for a horizontal line, and I'll mark it over here. So it has been consolidating in this one specific range for a very long time, close to 4 to 5 years. See this one specific range, as you can see here. It has been going around in that range for a very long time, almost close to 4 to 5 years, and now it is showing strength. Now it is showing a very high volume build-up and breakout momentum, which we need to capitalize. This is more than a trend line attempt to capture a stock. This is more like a consolidation breakout kind of a stock. And I actually had an intraday trade in this, and I already caught close to 5% in that day itself, and it has come back to that resistance level right now. So I thought there's still another opportunity in this stock. That is the reason why I thought of sharing it as the next entry. There is a resistance on the trend line basis somewhere close to this level, which is this point. I would say it is somewhere around, what range is it? I would say 1530 kind of range. But what we need is just 5% from the stock. And I think if this is not gonna, if at all the stock kind of sustains this breakout, and this one candle that was formed yesterday, if that candle is a retest candle, then there is a high probability we will get that 5% move from the current levels. But what we are going to do is we are going to initially deploy 50% of our planned capital at the current levels of 1355, and we'll set our target as 5% above that level. What we will do here is we'll mark our long position. This is our entry point, and our 5% target would be somewhere around 1430 range, and our stop loss would be somewhere around 1230 range pay. But what we are gonna do is we're not gonna right away let the stop loss hit our trade. Rather we'll plan the left 50% of planned capital what we have kept aside for this trade, right? That we'll use that and deploy that somewhere close to the stop loss, and only if the stop loss is happening and a daily closing is there below that level, we'll take our hit on the stop loss. We did the same in NDR components, and see how beautifully we adjusted the positions and we got somewhere close to 10%, 10 to 11% in that one specific stock. So that is mainly because of the market sentiment. There are a lot of news-based movements these days due to some war, trade war, or even the actual war that is going on between various countries out there. So that is one way of handling our trades. It's not just about specifically taking a trade; it's more about handling a specific situation that arises during our one of our trades. So these are the levels to be noted out for, and this is our entry for the next week. I mean Monday probably. DCM Shriram, and that's it. If you have any suggestions or any doubts, you can ask in the comment box. And if you want any specific stock to be analyzed, you can suggest it as well. I'll try to analyze that as well. There is a specific playlist I have added, a chart request, and I have named it a chart request. So I'll do the analysis over there as well. So that's it. Thank you. Have a good day. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Yeah.